tell how much I love collage papers. I made this the other day with the papers from my Collage Papers 2 kit. And as I was making it, I realized, wait, I need some additional papers, excuse me, to match. So I pulled the sides out of the Collage Papers 3. Then I realized I still need some more papers. So what did I make? I made this, which you've already seen, the coordinating collage papers. So these are the backgrounds that go with the Collage Papers 2, okay? So what does that mean? What it means is, do you see how many little pieces of collage I've put into this one? So I've taken 2 or 3 parts out and given you, see how these go from this? I've given you some of the coordinating papers. So the more papers that you have that coordinate, it's so much more fun to make junk journals with, okay? So this has already been out. You've seen Collage Papers 2. People are buying them, thank you. And I decided, you know what, I need some more. The reason I need some more is because I was watching somebody on YouTube the other day, and she made this really cute folio, and I wanted to make it. And I thought, oh, my collage papers would really work. But the trick was the collage, this is a vertical collage, right? And she was using it horizontally. So I went, well, maybe I could just take my Collage Papers 2 kit and turn it horizontal. Well, you can kind of do that, but then what happens is it's wider, so you need more parts. So guess what? Diane decided to take the Collage Papers 2 and make them horizontal. And then I decided to add more fun ephemera to it. Okay, so now look at, so this is the new kit that I'm launching, Collage Papers 2 Plus. Okay, so these are horizontal. And then I've added numbers and I've added some really fun graphics. Look at the purple. And then the other thing that I did, you can see here, is I gave you an additional sheet for every color wave that you can print on the background. So now you have your own double-sided horizontal paper. So look at the purple. So I added some more things. I added that darling little girl. Isn't she cute? Then there's the gold, which again, I added more. And then there's the background to it. Oops, that's upside down. There's the pink. And again, added more things that made it horizontal. There's the pink plaid on the back. And there's the one that we made, that I made this journal from, right? And there's the backdrop to that. So it's, oh, I just love, I'm having so much fun on the computer making all these gorgeous papers. So after that I'm launching this, and that'll be in the shop and you watch the video, I'm going to start making lots of fun little folios and little junk journals. And there's the back of that one. Here's another beige with those beautiful flowers. So I kept some of the main parts and then just added a lot. So it's definitely an extension of what you already had. And then there's that beautiful blue one with the blue. And then I went, well, wait a minute. Okay, so now if I have this and I, you know, if I play around and pretend I'm going to make like a little journal out of it, right? Then I need some additional ephemera pieces for it. So here's the next part that just launched. So this is Collage Papers 2 plus tags and ephemera that again coordinate with that. So what I did was I made 2 tags for every colorway. No, 3 tags for every color sheet. So that means there's 30 tags in this kit and they coordinate. And I left them blank because the way I do a lot of my faith kits, my faith ephemera kits, is I have Bible verses on a page. And if you print that on vellum or clear sticker paper, you can add the Bible verses or whatever words you want to add to your tags. Now I printed this on my 48-pound cardstock matte photo paper. Okay, aren't they gorgeous? The tags are just so fun. I can't wait to start playing with them. So as I said, you get 30 tags in this kit. One more page and then we get all 30. And then I decided, well, all that fun stuff that I added onto the collage papers, why don't I give that to you as separate collage pieces? So you can use in this kit or you could use it on another kit. They're just really fun vintage ephemera little collage pieces. See, so there's all those pretty like cabinet card graphics that I've added, and some fruits and birds and stuff like that. So there you go. And then I decided, well, I need some tickets. So I made a set. Now, these are not Faith tickets, okay? They're just cool vintage tickets. So I made tickets that will coordinate with every kit. And then I gave you a set of blank ones so that you could write, you could stamp, you could do whatever you want to do. So 2 more kits are now in my shop that will help you have really lots of fun with collage. So let me just reiterate. If you look at Collage Papers 2, there's now 4 packs. There's the original Collage Papers 2. There's the coordinating paper backgrounds to give you some big pieces of the collage. Then I just added the 2+, which is horizontal, and then I added the 2+ tags and ephemera. So there's 4 kits that totally coordinate. And when you see how many fun things we're going to make with this, you're going to be really excited. So jump on board my collage journey that we're going down, and let's start making some fun collage faith journals.